Welcome back to the Chapter 9 SuiteCRM Training video. In the previous video, we understand how AI, automation, workflows, financial systems, and intelligent rule engines work together in Guest Post CRM, which is specifically designed for guest posting and outreach operations. Chapter 9 focuses more on the developer side of SuiteCRM. The video also introduces you to the architectural principles behind scalable, upgrade-safe SuiteCRM development. The video aims to teach how to build and manage custom SuiteCRM features using custom directories, extension frameworks, logic hooks, entry points, and upgrade-safe development practices. So, let's begin with the custom code architecture principles of SuiteCRM. The custom code architecture principles help ensure that any customization made remains safe during upgrades, easy to maintain, and organized. The extension framework first ensures that every customization goes into custom/ and never modifies the core SuiteCRM files. The prefix everything principle ensures that all custom fields, modules, classes, and functions use the __ prefix to prevent naming collisions. The single responsibility principle splits complex logic into service classes, with each hook class handling one concern. Defensive coding principle ensures to always check null check $bean-ID before operating on a bean. The directory structure is the recommended folder structure for organizing custom code inside SuiteCRM. The structure is designed to keep all customizations clean, upgrade safe, and easy to maintain. It features 11 directories like extensions, modules, accounts, application, and vardefs, among others, under the root custom directory. The root custom directory is the main folder in which all the custom SuiteCRM code should be placed. It prevents editing core SuiteCRM files and also keeps customizations upgrade safe. The root custom directory also separates business logic from the framework. Both workflow versus logic hook help in automating CRM behavior, but are designed for different levels of complexity. The core difference between workflow and logic hook is that workflow requires low-code automation, whereas logic hook is a custom PHP-based programming. Workflow is configured through UI and offers limited flexibility, while logic hook is written by developers and offers full flexibility. The security best practices are the essential security measures that developers should follow while writing custom SuiteCRM code. The main aim of security best practices is to protect CRM from malicious attacks, unauthorized access, data leaks, and ensure custom integrations. It also acts as the foundational security rules for any CRM or web application development. SQL injection prevention happens when attackers insert malicious SQL code into user inputs. XSS prevention occurs when malicious JavaScript is inserted into web pages. Access control verifies the logged-in user before showing sensitive information. Entry point authentication is used for APIs, integrations, webhooks, and AJAX calls. With this, the training session for the 9th day comes to an end. In this video, we learned the foundational rules that the developer should follow while customizing SuiteCRM. We also understood how to organize custom code in SuiteCRM, using structured architecture, and how developers can safely extend CRM functionality without modifying core files. In the next and final video, we will explore the admin panel of SuiteCRM, one of the most important areas in the platform. The session provides a complete overview of the SuiteCRM admin panel and its administrative capabilities. We will also learn how administrators configure, customize, secure, maintain, and monitor the CRM environment using various built-in tools. See you in the next video. Stay connected.